Let's go straight to the point. Number 1, lemons on screens are not real. Lemons are masters of disguise. There's lemons on screen now. They aren't yellow. That's right. If you're watching this from your phone or laptop or any screen, you're not actually seeing any yellow color. Screens mix red and green lights to make our brains think we are seeing yellow. It's as if your screen is doing a magic trick, making you believe that it's yellow, when it's really red and green working together. Imagine a superhero team but without a hero for yellow. Instead, when something supposedly yellow pops up, our red and green heroes join forces to create the illusion of yellow. Because yellow doesn't really exist, in screens at least. It's again just a mix of red and green. I know it sounds tricky to grasp, but it's true, as it is true that lemons have an electrifying secret. Number 2, lemons can produce electricity.
Which sounds crazy, right?
Yes, with a bit of acid and metals like zinc and copper, a lemon turns into a tiny power plant.
Fasten the copper side alligator clip to the longer, positive end of the LED, and the zinc side to the shorter, negative end. And there it is! Light!
But don't get too excited. Powering up anything significant would require a lemon army. It's a neat science trick, even if lemons are not ready to light up our homes just yet. But there is more. Fruit art. Artists have gotten in on the secret, using fruits to power lights and make art that glows. Now, you may be thinking, where is this all going? Okay, now that you had some background, let me tell you that this is much, much bigger than what it seems. I'll tell you why. Number 3, they're all in. Grapefruits, limes, and oranges are in on the act because they have acid in them. It turns out the potential for fruity electricity is all around us. Yes, it turns out lemons are not the only ones having the power of generating electricity. But all fruit can. But this is still nothing compared to what's coming next. Number 4, all colors are not real, in a way. So it's not just yellow. And I'm not talking about screens.
Surprise, surprise.
I know you're probably confused by now, but hear me out. Look closely to the squares pointed by the arrow. You see a green square on the left and a red square on the right. Watch these as you put them close to each other and separated from their respective backgrounds. You can see they're actually the same color. Mind-blowing, huh? This is called color constancy, and it means that the way we see colors actually depends on the context in which colors are. Look at this other image. Square A seems to be black and square B seems to be white, right? Wrong. They're the same shade of gray. But because one is in the shade, our brain automatically makes us see it differently. But don't worry, it's all fine with you and we're all like this. We haven't gone crazy yet. The way we all see colors can be different for each person. It's like each of us has our own set of colors in our mind. So why does this all matter? It might seem like a lot to think about, but here's the kicker. It's all about staying curious and open-minded. By questioning the ordinary, we get to discover a whole world of real magic and mystery. The world is full of wonders, hidden in plain sight, waiting for us to look a little closer and ask a bit more. So next time you bite into a juicy lemon, remember, it's not just a sour treat. It's a gateway to curiosity and a tiny piece of a much larger puzzle. This might just be the universe's way of saying, keep guessing and keep growing. And that's, my friends, is no trick. It's a treasure. See you in the future.